Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Say hi. Welcome to my channel. Welcome. No PGB. Okay, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. He is so happy. Subscribe. Why, baby? So subscribe. Okay. He is saying please subscribe, otherwise pitch means I will. No, I will not complete this. I will tell you after some days. Hello everyone, Leo is going to start his studies. Leo, first crisscross. Don't sit like this. Don't sit like this. Crisscross, baby. Crisscross. Let me introduce Leo to you all, guys. Leo is a 3-year-old kid. He turned 3 just on September. So this book I introduced him when he was around 1.5. So now he is expert in planets. So he can recognize all the planets. So let me ask him, which planet is this, baby? Just sit here, baby. Yeah. Leo, come here, baby. Leo, come here, baby. So he already finished his brushing, breakfast and everything. Now I'm letting him study for some time. So baby, come baby. He is a naughty little guy and even he is a busy little guy. He always wants something new. These are his books. I have put his books here because if I put his books near him, then he always he doesn't sit. He always try to read something or he doesn't sleep. And this is Leo. You can see Leo. This is Leo's sticker book. Come baby. Come. He wants to get some other book. I don't know which book he wants, but he is like in search of some book. So like I have put his books here. Oh my god! The book. Which book you want? This is Mama's book. Oh my god. So I already gave him some books. Leo, sit properly, baby. Sit properly. Crisscross. Okay. So he is like too busy. Every time he is busy, he wants to do something. And now he is searching for some stickers. Leo, one thing please, baby. Can you tell me what is this? It's the butterfly? Okay. Today is the first vlog of Leo's lifestyle. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button for notifications on my new videos. Share these videos with your friends and family and hit the like button so that we can grow. And you can see more videos of Leo. Which planet is this, baby? Okay, just let me know the planets. Everyone wants to know which planets you know. Which planet is this? He is very moody. When he has mood, he is like, he will tell everything by himself. But now he is busy on stickers, busy with stickers. So he is not taking interest in all these planets and all. But he will do it soon. What is this? It's a red? Red what? What is the picture in this red box? Yeah, there's a cat, baby. Is there a cat? A queen cat. Yeah, queen cat. Cat says? Cat says? Yeah, queen cat. And cat says? Meow, meow. He again went away. Actually, he wants more books. But like I don't want to divert his attention. If I give him more books, then he's like, he wants to read every book at a time, and he doesn't concentrate on one book. So here you can see some of his pictures. It's a picture book. You can get it in dollar store. So I'm trying to teach him colors. He knows colors very properly. So Leo, can you please sit for some time? What are you searching for? What is this? This he is doing acting of some dinos. Leo, are you a T-Rex? Okay, Leo is sitting now. What is this? What is this? It's a... This one? It's a... It's a... Earth. Open your mouth, baby. Yeah, that is mouth. What is this? And this one? And this one is... And this one? Jupiter. And this one? Saturn is with a ring. And this one? And this one, baby? This one? Tell me, baby. This one? Okay. What is this? Okay, final. What is this? Baby, tell me, Leo. What is this? This one? Tell me, baby. Tell me. What is this? Okay, and this one? And this one? This one is? Neptune. And this one?
Rocket.
And this is an astronaut. So if you want to buy this book, I can give you the link under this video. Yeah, this is a planet book from I think it's from Leaf Rock. So you can get it from Walmart. I got it not Walmart, I got it from some bookstore. If you want to know about this book, then just let me know in the comments. I will give you the link. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel.